If you watch our website, once in a while, you'll know that we have a later model vehicle listed online that a customer asked us to represent for them and sell, and that's what we have here. This is a 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI all-wheel drive SUV. Stromboli gray metallic with black leather. 2-liter turbo underneath the hood that's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission as we take a look at the front fascia. This vehicle has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles at just a little over 51,000. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you want to see more pictures of this vehicle, underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. See the painted calipers up front. That's actually one of the optional features, optional equipment on this vehicle. So we take a look at the passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. The other optional equipment on this vehicle, it does have the driver assistance static package. Also has the 8.8-inch AM/FM Bluetooth radio with 3D navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, as well as those colored brake calipers. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And once again, this vehicle may be available for that warranty protection plan extended out to 10 years. Just consult with your sales associate. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures of this vehicle. Take a look at the underside, interior, engine bay. No real surprises. Like I said, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Let's take a peek in the back. See that again. Black leather interior. Also in nice shape. Very clean and neat. Owner's manual is in the glove box. Start it up, let you hear it run too. We'll take a look at the engine bay just so you can see that. We'll check out the exact miles. All right, 51,725. I don't believe there was any warning indicators, anything like that. Hatch is open from taking pictures. Looks like that's about it. Again, 8-speed automatic shiftable transmission. That 8.8-inch screen is right here, just not on, obviously. Slip around to the back, so again, you can hear this run, and we will pop the hood open. In that 2-liter turbo engine. And all-wheel drive, of course. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Let me pop this hood, take a peek at that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. While I was popping that hood, I thought maybe you'd like to make sure that the radio does work. So there, flipped it on so you can see it. It's just on FM, and again has navigation, AM/FM, Bluetooth, Apple Play, Android Auto. There'll actually be a picture of the window sticker if you want to see the standard equipment on this vehicle as well as the optional equipment. All right, let's look underneath the hood. You can see this thing does not look like it's been driven any sort of inclement weather. Extremely clean engine bay, nice and tidy. What you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. So a little bit over 57,000. If we look at the exact, I believe it was, just over 51,000, 51,725. Take a look, 51,725. Make sure that also 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI, all-wheel drive, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Check with your sales consultant. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. It's an SUV. It's an automatic on the center console. Partially digital dash, partially gauges. Let's see how she does on the road. Great acceleration. It's got good power. Still a little cold on the temperature. It's about a quarter of the gauge, but it's warming up. Fuel gauge is showing half. Great modern stereo system. Very smooth ride. I don't feel any vibrations or shakes or shimmies. If I let go of the wheels, she stays nice and straight in the lane. It's a quiet ride, comfortable. Seats look like they're leather. Brakes work good. Let's take some corners here. Corners as you would expect. Very easy to steer. Good power out of this machine. Check out this Alfa Romeo at uniqueclassiccars.com.